All right, hello everyone. I think we're live. I think we are live. All right, let me post the link in the chat. Or the Discord chat, I mean. Let me... All right. Okay, I think we're good. All right, so let's leave off where we left off last time. English 101. Okay, so last time we downloaded the GameLiftServerSDK. We ran CMake, we ran MS-Build, and we eventually were able to actually build successfully the DLL and the lib file for GameLift. So what I want to do now I want to actually add the plugin, the whole plugin, into our Unreal Engine project and compile from there. Add GameLift to Unreal. All right, let's add the GameLift SDK, the server SDK to Unreal. Okay, add the binaries to the Amazon GameLift plugin files. Open the directory for the plugin version of UE4 that you're working with. So let's open up another instance of File Explorer here. Let's go to the GameLift folder. So it is saying copy the binary files into the third-party directory of the Unreal plugin. So, okay, gotcha. This is the Unreal plugin. So this is the question, right? Because the server SDK is labeled as if it's for Unreal Engine 4.21, but now we're on Unreal Engine version 4.24. So this is going to be tough. So it said copy it to... Okay, that's pretty straightforward. Copy it to the third-party folder, then GameLiftServerSDK, then Win64. Okay, that's easy. So I will... Oh, whoops. Let's copy this. And in bin, let's copy that. Okay, import the Amazon GameLift plugin into a project. Luckily, I believe I've already done this for this specific project, since this is the GameLift tutorial project that I made the first set of tutorials for. And I think, so if I edit this in Notepad. Hey Ryan, are you watching right now, Ryan? Just want to make sure. Okay, so yeah, I have the GameLiftServerSDK, so I did that part. Add the plugin name as a dependency to your game's list of module rules. The following example shows a simple list of module names. I believe I also did this. This should be in the build file, actually. So go to source. It should literally be... There's a lot here. I'm going to go with this one, though. No, it's not this one. This one's target rules. I have to find the module rules file. I think it's actually... Okay, I wasn't on the build file. Yeah, okay. So GameLiftServerSDK is indeed in here. Hello, SG2 Banana Kingston. How are you, sir? How are you? Okay, so I've done both of these. So I guess really... Alright, so I guess let me literally just replace the SDK. So... But I'm probably not gonna replace it completely though, because I do want to keep it somewhere I want to keep it somewhere safe. So I'm gonna put it in my documents for now. There's already a version here, so because I know this version's working. I'm good. I'm doing well. I'm doing well, Banana Kingston. You know, I'm doing well for the most part. You know. Doing well. Alright, I'm actually going to put this in downloads for now because I already have a folder called GameLiftServerSDK in documents. I'll rename this 2. And I'll drag it back to documents. So I know this one's working. So let's go back to downloads. Let's copy and paste this plugin. Alright, so it said copy everything from here. So I'm going to delete this instance of the server SDK and I'm going to copy it. Perfect. Alright, let's open the project now in Visual Studio and let's compile. Let's compile. Thing is, I know last time I worked with the GameLiftServerSDK, I think in Unreal Engine version 4.22. It could have even been 4.21. I know I was getting some compiler warnings in the Visual Studio IDE. So what I'm curious to see is, will I get those same warnings? I think I will, and I'll probably have to fix them. And if I do have to fix them, then I'll just take notes on that stuff. So wouldn't be the worst. That's not a dumb question at all. So this channel revolves around making basically game development tutorials as well as just game development in general. And one of the big tutorials that our channel focuses on are multiplayer games. So we work with this hosting platform called Amazon GameLift to make our multiplayer games. And what I'm doing specifically right now is I'm integrating the GameLift server package into our game project, which is very boring, if I'm going to be honest. But that is what I am indeed doing. This looks like it's going to build. I'm definitely getting some warnings. I already see some warnings. This is a classic warning. It builds. Okay, and then let's build in development server mode. Let's do that, and it should work. Banana Kingston. I love that name. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Could be pronounced Banana King's Son. That would be a good name too. So I gotta fix those one. It looks more like your hack. I wish I. Well, actually, maybe I don't wish I could do that stuff. I don't want to be a criminal. Although I knew someone who was a hacker and doesn't really do it anymore, but he was pretty good at it, I must admit. Banana King's Son. What a name. I'm curious about the origin of that name. Banana King's Son. I like that name. The good news is I think I talked about these same compiler warnings actually in the AWS GameLift forums. Let's look at, I want to look at my post history right now. You know who KDM is? Who is KDM? I actually don't know who that is. KDM? Does it stand for anything? Banana? Mr. Banana? Yes. Alright. Yes. How to reference, yes, this warning. Alright, so for this GameLift server SDK, to fix these compiler warnings, he's a Subway Surfers YouTuber. Subway Surfers. I'm not familiar with Subway Surfers. Let me look that up real quick. Oh, I've seen this game before. This is an old game. I think I used to play this. It was like Temple Run back in the day. Okay, so oh, okay, I see. This is some old server code, so I can... Let me just get rid of... I don't have a... I think I can honestly just get rid of this stuff. I don't need that one. Cast... Let's build again. Subway Surfers. Alright, and if that builds, then I'm just gonna document, or I'm gonna fix those compiler warnings. So, well, they're not here now because I'm building in development server mode. What do we got now? GameLift server. One or more multiply defined symbols. Do you play Roblox? I do not, Banana King Son, unfortunately. I used to play Minecraft a lot, though. Already defined in GameLift server. This is... I feel as though I've seen this before. Let's Google this. Oh. Look. Alright, let me go to the... I do know the oof, though, Mr. Banana. I do know that meme. I'm a big fan of the oof meme. Big fan. Alright, so... I've seen this error before. AWS already defined. I'll just look up already defined. I want to look it up in the... Oh, okay, this was already a thing. I've definitely had this. Superficial seems like you have mismatched headers and DLLs. I think I copy and pasted everything. Rip chat, hello? Hello, Wiser. Hello, sir. I don't know why. I think I copied it all completely, though. Yeah, it's pretty much copied. I've seen this issue before. Are you making a game? Not exactly, Wiser. I'm working on tutorial content, basically trying to integrate some GameLift stuff so that people can make multiplayer games. So I guess kind of making a game, but for a tutorial purpose. Oh, I've seen this error before. GameLiftServerSDK. I've seen this before though. That's the weird thing. I've seen this error before. Oh, is this what? I think someone on our Discord might have gotten this exact error. Mr. Baraka, actually. Let me see if I... No, it's not that. You got something different. Oh, should I include all of them? Huh. Now that is something right there, if that is the case. Wait, what am I doing? I need to go to C++, because it did, when I ran CMake, and MS Build earlier, it did generate a lot of files. One DLL file. So should I, oh, maybe I need to copy all of these. Ooh, okay. Let's build it again. First, I'll build in development editor mode. I wonder if that was the reason. I would be very surprised though, because I've never had to do that. But this is also a newer version of the GameLiftServerSDK that I technically have not worked with. So let's go to development server now. See if this builds. I'm very curious. Because then they would need to update their documentation. I wish Baraka were here. Okay, that was not here. That was not the issue, though. That's what I thought, though. I can get you to 1,000. Wait, King, banana, I'm afraid. What are you... Banana, what are you doing there? Banana, I don't... Oh, shoot. There's a bug. That's a ladybug. I'm being attacked on stream, guys. Guys, I just got attacked on stream by a ladybug. Banana. But seriously, Banana, I would chill out. We don't need any sub-botting here, please. No need for sub-botting. That was very weird. Banana, I'm serious though. Please don't sub-bot our channel. I don't mind waiting a little longer to get to 1,000. Although I highly appreciate it. Okay, this is really weird though. This is really weird. I had to modify each pro. It's a little different though. I think the one I'm getting is... It's definitely more aligned with this one. Yeah, it's definitely... module. It's a little different. It is a link 2005 error. Man, this might be harder than I thought. Already defined in module.GameLift. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Superficially, it seems that you have mismatched headers and DLLs. You rebuilt the DLL, but you are using old headers. Potentially more likely is that you're hitting issues with the GameLift Unreal. I know, we are almost there. Banana. We are. The other alternative is to integrate with the server SDK, as the Unreal plugin is just a very thin wrap around the GameLift server SDK. If this is a blocking issue for you, Banana, chill, please. Don't just make a bunch of fake accounts and sub to us, please. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. Please don't do that. I appreciate it, but I'd rather have organic fans. Banana, you can honestly stop. You don't have to like sub us with multiple accounts. We really appreciate it, but we'll get there organically. It's fine. We don't need a bunch of fake accounts subbing to us. Serious, Banana, please. I can't believe I'm saying this, but don't sub to us with a bunch of accounts, please. Please, don't do that. Just don't do it. Like, Banana, we're not PewDiePie here, okay? We're not trying to be T-Series. Appreciate the love, but we don't need it. We don't need it, Banana. We're good. We're good. Stop doing it. Alright, hold on 1 second, guys. Banana. Banana, please stop. Banana, please stop doing that. Please. Banana, are these all your accounts? Banana. Banana. Banana, please. Please stop. I don't know why you're doing this. There's no point. We will get to 1,000. Banana, can you hear me? Please. Oh my goodness. Banana, you're... Banana, you don't even... Banana, have you even watched any videos on this channel before? Oh my goodness, man. That's cool, Weiser. I'm a big music guy. Banana. Banana. Why are you doing this? You don't need to do this. Oh my goodness. Man, Banana. Banana, you do realize that YouTube ends up cleaning out these subs, these accounts, right? You're just gonna make, if you make, what, like 50 accounts or whatever, and YouTube will just clear them when they when YouTube deems them inactive, so. Please, Banana, please. That's good. Because we're a pretty small channel, so I don't want one day we just lose like 50 subs out of the blue. So, especially because it could happen literally any time. Like, please, 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 please don't do it. Please. Alright, I try to clean rebuild, still the same. Make sure the DLLs are consistent with gives. Should I really rebuild? I don't know if it's worth rebuilding right now, honestly. Does anyone want to talk about anything? Because if I rebuild the engine, then this is going to take a long, long time. I'm really worried about that. If anyone's got anything to talk about. Okay, let's see this. Unable to compile GameLift. Okay, very similar error. We're investigating, and we will have, when upgrading, make sure you copy the new plugin from after building. You'll need to copy them into the intermediate binaries. Training. I thought I deleted the entire. Okay, I'll do it again. Oh, okay, but this time, okay. I just realized I didn't build it after adding all those boost libraries, so wait, what? Cannot open I might have to regenerate the Visual Studio project files. Let me do that real quick. Yeah, it's empty. Okay, let's regenerate the Visual Studio project files. I'm really worried about Mr. Banana right now. Mr. Banana, are you still here? Or did I scare you off? I didn't mean to scare you off, but... I'm gonna say that and then Banana's gonna come back and we're already at 1,000 subs. Oh, it's gonna be so weird. Funny story, I actually used to have a friend. Okay, I don't have no more money. Banana, did you actually pay for a YouTube subbot service? Banana, there is no need for that. No, Banana, don't do that. Don't do that. Banana, why are you doing... Oh my goodness. Banana, there's no need. I don't think you even... I think this is literally the first video of ours you've probably watched. And you're already doing this. There's no need. I like the thought. I appreciate the thought, but there's no need. There's no need, Banana. I think I've said banana 50 times in this stream so far. I'm obsessed. And I love bananas too. Banana, why are you doing this? Ugh, Banana. For you in 2020. Banana, why are you... Banana, I'm just curious, why are you doing this? Actually, I have an interesting story for people who are watching. I actually knew a guy. This was when YouTube was really early, and I actually had another YouTube channel back then. Alright, Wiser, thanks for tuning in. Alright, I still am getting this symbol issue. No bueno. Is it because... Oh, it might be because of those warnings. Those warnings might be preventing it from getting billed. I don't know if anyone's watching, but I think Ryan might like this story. But again, back in the day, I think this was around this is really old. I can't believe I'm saying this, but this was almost 10 years ago now, when YouTube was still in its infancy, kind of. And I was running another YouTube channel at a time, and I knew someone in my school who actually offered people that they sold subscribers. He had like over 150 plus accounts, and he would sell subscribers to people. But eventually YouTube caught on and he got banned. And then all those people who he sold subs to also got banned. So, Banana, we're good. Banana, we don't need any subs. No subs. No subs. We are good. Please, please. But that's my story, though. That's essentially... I think it's an interesting story. Now, back then, there weren't as many people doing that type of stuff. Oh, good idea, Mr. My friend just advised me to move my face cam to the right side of the screen. Because Banana, we will reach 1,000. Trust me, Banana. Please, please. Banana, you've already given like 20 subs now. Banana, we don't need any more subscribers. Please, please. We're good, Banana. We're good. Please. We're good, Banana. Banana, I've literally said the word banana 50,000 times. Banana, I'd rather honestly have you just stay in the chat and just interact with me. I'd rather have that, to be quite honest. Alright, let me fix these warnings, actually, because I think actually these warnings might be preventing the server SDK from building in server mode. Oh, but I want the warnings, though. Alright, let's see the warnings. So I had it open up. It was this one. So these two lines, right? I need to replace the public include paths and private include paths methods. Banana, that's a terrible idea. Terrible, terrible idea. You should not do that. I don't condone stealing. That's just a terrible idea. Interesting. Public additional libraries. Well, I don't even know how to use public additional libraries, to be quite honest. How did I use them in the GameLift client SDK? Public additional. Did I even use it here? Public additional. Oh, I did. Okay. Banana. 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 We don't need subs. Okay? And you shouldn't be using your mom's credit card for subs. Subs. Banana. 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 You're killing me right now, Banana. I don't know what to say. Public additional public system libraries. Do you use public system libraries? I definitely want to get rid of this warning. Saying path does not exist. Oh, okay. I know why, because that's just how it is. I got it. No, Banana, we're good. We don't need subs. Okay? We're good. Alright. Let's see. Public library. Yeah, okay. That's fine. Okay, this one I can definitely use. How come it does in one place, but it doesn't do in the other? I don't know the system between... I don't know the difference between public system library, public additional libraries. I'll just use public additional libraries. I don't really know the difference between... What's the difference in Unreal between public additional libraries versus public system libraries? Banana, are you trolling me right now? Banana, don't buy it. Please, don't buy it. We don't need subs, Banana. Banana, we don't need subs. Banana, please don't do this. Please. There's more to life than subscribers. Trust me, okay? There really is. Oh, okay, I see. So public system library seems to be for DLLs. Okay. Is it though? Actually, it was public system. It's a folder though. I mean, I don't know what to use. System? Public system. What did I use in the GameLift client build file? I did public additional. So I do public system libraries. So that'll fix those two. I really don't know which one to use because these are folders. They're not really the actual files. So I'll just use system for this one. I really don't know the difference, honestly. Public system libraries. Public system libraries. They are typically referenced by a name and then found by the system paths. I don't know. I don't even know. What is this one? Library was not resolvable to a file. Okay. Box. If you do intend to use a slow path. Let's see. I replaced it with public system library, so we'll see. Man, Banana's scaring me right now. Cannot open input file. Public. Cannot open. I've had this warning. I've had like, I don't know how to explain it, but let me look at actually, since we're on this topic. this is why we save a copy of the working GameLift client or the GameLift server SDK. We can actually look at what we did. So still have the include paths. Oh, I actually commented it out completely. That's interesting. Oh my goodness, guys. Sorry, it's really cold right now because it's really late. So actually, he just commented out completely. Just did that. I wonder if that'll work. I have to use the bathroom, guys. I'm so shaky. Alright, I'll be right back, guys. I gotta use the bathroom. Be right back. Alright, and we're back. We're back. Banana. Alright, Banana. I think you're trolling me, so I'm just gonna let it be. Just gonna let it be. Alright, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna undo all my changes. I'm gonna do undo everything. Okay. I'm gonna delete these. Oh, but I just realized I didn't. Oh, actually, never mind. Never mind. I'm gonna delete these again. The binaries and intermediates. Delete them again. I'm going to regenerate the Visual Studio files. I used to Banana. I used to play Fortnite. Not as much now. Now I just play mainly Call of Duty and Halo. So yeah, I play Call of Duty and Halo now. I'm trying to think what else I play. I'm trying to get I have a friend who plays World of Warships. So I'm trying to get into that, but I'm not a big fan of games where the matches are really long, so kind of a tough game for me to get in. All right, so I'm gonna recompile in development to editor mode because I want to get those. I want to get those warnings again. All right, we already got some warning. Okay. What games do you guys play? I know Banana mentioned Roblox. So that's a good game. Let's see. The latest version, which may require. So what warnings we got? Reference directory does not exist. It's definitely a problem because that's. reference directory does not exist. Let's go to my topics. Let's try this. We'll do system.io.path. Can you play some music? At this point, no, only because we don't have any non-copyright music to play. I'm sorry about that. I do want to play music, but we don't really have. Oh, thank you, Wiser. I appreciate that. You don't have to, though. I mean, that's if you want, I guess. I don't know. It's not that I don't trust you. It's just that, I guess, I don't know. I guess, yeah, I mean, if you want to make music for free, I don't know, though, if that means you'll... I don't know if you would want royalties for that, though. That's the only thing I'm not necessarily saying no, it's just that I don't really know, because I don't know much about music, the music industry. Like, I don't know how it would work. If you made us a song, could other people use it? And then even if they could, would there be royalties or copyright involved? So, I don't know. But I mean, you seem like a nice guy, so I don't think you do that. If it's a system library personal, alright, I'll do public additional libraries this time. So last time I did public system libraries, and that didn't work. This work? Wait. Private additional libraries does not exist. Well, that's definitely a problem. Private system libraries. But yeah, Wiser, if you're still here, if you have a sample, I mean, I'd be willing to play it. I'd be willing to listen to it. I don't know if you're still here. I don't know if I scared you off. Feel kind of bad if I did scare you off. Private include paths. That's the thing, it didn't. I think private include paths is not deprecated. I think public include paths is, but well, first let me good to hear. Good to hear. Why is it I didn't scare you off? Alright, I'll do public additional libraries just to suppress the first warning. Do that. If it's a system library, then use public system libraries. I still don't know the difference. I guess let me see if this compiles even. I feel as though I should use system libraries for this because I think additional libraries is used for specific files. Oh, that worked. I don't know if there's any programmers out there, but how old are you? I am a young adult, Mr. Banana. Public system versus public additional. I just want to know the differences between all these things. Public additional libraries. I don't even know the difference. I really don't know. Banana, I will absolutely be your brother. Alright, public. It's not a library though, that's the thing. It's a folder. So I'm really. But I guess that's why. I guess in my other version I just commented these two lines out because I don't think they're really necessary. That's the way what I did. GameLiftServerSDK. Yeah, I comment them out. They're clearly not needed. They're just directories. What is that? Oh, nice emoji. Alright, so let's comment. So I comment those two out. Now it's just this error. And this is what I posted an answer about in a forum a long time ago. Just did this. But if I do this, then I'm going to get another warning that something doesn't exist. Yeah. Oh, actually, that's fine. System.io. Build. Will this work? That is the question. No warnings. That's so weird. Maybe this will work. Nah, it probably won't. It'll probably fail again. RIP. Maybe I didn't follow all the instructions. Actually, no, I did. I definitely did. Yeah, figured that. GameLift server. Yeah, okay. I don't know what this is caused by. Actually, let me follow this guy's advice. Let me delete this. Let me delete the binaries and intermediate here. I know it's gonna be big, so I'm gonna delete those. And then in the plugins folder, I'm gonna also delete the binaries and intermediate there as well. And then I will, I guess, regenerate the files. Pausing. Oh, and one thing I wanted to do, I want to get rid of all these files, these boost files, because I don't think they're necessary here. But I guess I'll find out. But I'm curious to see. I think Mr. GameLift's advice might be relevant here, actually. I think that might have honestly been it. Alright, let's do development editor again. This time it should take longer, hopefully. So how are we doing tonight? How are we doing tonight? I always get worried when I stream at this time because it's kind of, I know a lot of our fans are from different time zones, so it can get a little tricky trying to stream with as many people watching. Usually the weekend streams do a lot better, but on the weekdays I tend to stream late, and that doesn't really go well because at this time a lot of people are literally either sleeping or just waking up, so it's kind of rough sometimes. I really hope that worked. Mr. GameLift, what a name. I really hope that worked. $10:42. That's a good time, actually. Alright, this is building. Alright, finished. Let's build development server now. I'm just reading this answer. This is actually a very interesting answer. The idea with flex match architecture diagram. Flex match notifications. Could make a streaming topic for rules matchmaking. And the handler receiving the message from Brian. Then you could have another lambda between that table and that handles the game client polls for status. Nice banana, nice. I think that's nice. It's definitely good reading these forum posts about the recommended practices. I think after this set of GameLift tutorials, oh boy, wow, it's rebuilding a lot. I think after this set of GameLift tutorials, I think we'll go even further in the future. I think we'll make another set of GameLift tutorials because we're still new to this, and you know, we definitely want people to use GameLift, but at the same time, we're still new to this and learning this at the same time. So that is, but actually, this is a good forum post though. Regardless, actually, I'm kind of confused though because I don't know why they're talking about matchmaking and an answer about not being able to compile. But I think for now, this isn't the worst approach. This is going to take a while to build, guys, so I'm going to play some Type Racer while we wait. Actually, I'll look up some more let's look at GameLift because I'm just curious. Maybe I can look up Flex Match. Help me write a massive battle royale Flex Match rule set. I like that answer we're on though. There's some good I mean, it's all covered in the docs anyway though, so whether or not I need to use DynamoDB is another question. Let me keep reading that one answer though, actually. Because do you know who Mr. Top 5 is? I do not, Banana. I don't know who Mr. Top 5 is. Sorry. It sounds like a very familiar channel because I used to watch a lot of those top 10, top 5 channels. We are risking on review. And a minimum. API gateway. Thing is, I want to be careful though because he's a fake. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Banana. Oh, sorry, there might be some lag. Sorry about that, guys. look up. Best approach flex match. I just want to know. Well, gotta go. I have school tomorrow. Probably not tomorrow, Banana, but thanks for tuning in and have a good night and have a good day tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in, sir. I think I might call it a night if I can get this to build, and that might be it. Hopefully this builds. I mean, it's building everything now. So, wait, what was... If you're still building... okay, I see. AWS GameLift client authentication. Okay, I see. Okay. Okay, I should do I want to do all this for the next tutorial, though? It's gonna be a lot. I know I'm really silent here right now, guys. I'm kind of just reading right now. backend client service. Okay, I kind of understand. Would I use API Gateway for this, or would I use Lambda? Oh, are they the... Oh. This is a good article, though. Okay, I think... But now the real question, what is the cost of AWS API Gateway? Free tier. Oh, okay, 1 million calls. Oh, that's not bad, actually. First 300 a month. Or, oh, per million. Only amount. Oh, that can get pretty expensive. Oh, and that was even what I was looking at. I was looking at REST APIs. What about Lambda? Or Lambda here? Man, that can get really expensive. Oh man. Oh, with AWS Lambda too? Oh my goodness. That could get expensive. Let's look at REST APIs, even though... Okay. $5 million at $350 a month. Okay. 350. 350 per million. Oh, hey, Anchor, hey. Good seeing you here. Just looking at some pricing stuff right now. So, I'm looking at REST APIs. 5 million calls, that's already a lot, but we'll imagine. We'll play with that. 3.350 per million. Total size of data transfers, 3 kilobytes. Is that... Okay, they don't even mention that. Data transfer charges. Oh, wait, where's that? I'm so confused. Where are the charges for data? Oh, okay. What if I use Lambda? Do they have an example with Lambda, though? That's already expensive. Maybe Lambda has an example. Man, this could get expensive. Or maybe AWS. I guess AWS Lambda. I guess if I go by these prices, if you allocate to your function, 512 megabytes that's a lot for just one function. And this is assuming 20 cents per 1 million requests, so there's 3 million requests. And the compute charges, assuming the free tier, it's measured in gigabytes second. Wow. But so is this free tier? Can anyone, is the free tier for anyone? Seems like it. I know GameLift technically has a free tier, so. Alright, we're almost done building. I apologize for the stream lagging. Kind of just want this to build. Once it builds, it'll build. Oh my goodness. We got so many subs from Banana. It's crazy. I don't know why he did that, but whatever, I guess. I really want this to build. Build. If anyone has anyone to talk about, feel free to type in the chat. I really hope this works. I'll upvote Mr. GameLift anyway, because I've seen him before all over the place, and he is really, really good, so. Oh wait, no, not this one. Oh, Mr. GameLift works for GameLift, I think. I really hope this works, guys. Otherwise, I'm just clueless. I'll definitely take notes on what I did, though. I comment out those lines, and then I in GameLiftServerSDK.build.cs replace the first 2 lines in GameLiftServerSDK.build.cs with these. And the good thing about this is I don't need the using statement at the top. Ah, that's rip. That is rip, guys. That, oof. So the problem is that, I did replace everything, right? I mean, let me look at plugins again. Okay. Okay, I definitely replaced the source code. Seems pretty up to date. Guys, I am pretty lost. I'll clean it. Maybe a clean. I'll build again. There's no way that clean's gonna work though. Oh, is it conflicting with the AWS client? The game of client code. Is it conflicting with that? That honestly might be it. If that's the case, then that would be rough, because then there's really no point in using the AWS SDK anymore. If I do it straight through Lambda. I might start reading some of these GameLift blogs, honestly. I think we might have to do that, guys. I think the only way it's gonna compile is, I think this man's got a point. I think Nicholas has a point. Although, why wouldn't it give me issues before? just suddenly gives me issues. So then why did I even... In Node, Python, and C#. Literally every language with C++. Fantastic. I like Java. Java doesn't sound bad. Wait, this is gonna work though, I think. No way. If this actually works, there's no way. There's no way this is gonna build. There's no way. These were our documentation on using Node.js, Python. So is there... okay, it's gonna do this again, and then it's not gonna work. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end the stream now. Thank you guys for tuning in. I think I know the problem. It's definitely a conflict between the AWS SDK and the GameLiftServerSDK. So I think the solution is for me to remove everything we worked on 2 live streams ago. And I think I'm going to move towards a serverless approach where we call AWS Lambda functions instead to set up our matchmaking. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Have a good day.